We have some stunningly beautiful fabrics for you today. These are all meant to be transition fabrics. We know this time of year we want to sew, but we want to sew and know that we can wear them for quite a while. And this you can. This is a navy. It's a weave. It's a beautiful open weave. It's a woven, 100% cotton. Lafayette 148. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. Jackets, a jean jacket. Would just go for a blouse, would go for so many things. Then this is comes in with a navy and pink and white stripe. It's a yarn dyed, so it's reversible. Again, not 100% cotton, but feels like there's a little bit of poly in there. It's mostly cotton, and it's lovely. It's just lovely. Great drape, a little wrap, a little George's top would be perfect. Lips, several of the high-end designers did lips. I love these lips. This Gucci did this is Lafayette 148. This is a cotton poly blend, perfect for a blouse. Just a great little conversation piece, and it blends into the wines. The wine is supposed to be the #1 most worn color this fall. #1 most worn color. So this is a cotton poly, great drape, great beautiful drape. It's like an ITY knit, but it's a cotton poly, beautiful hand. Again, goes with the navies, just really pretty. The pinks blend, the wines. And then this is Lafayette 148 also. It's 100% cotton. It's a stretch woven shirting. Both sides are usable, both sides reversible. Just a beautiful piece of fabric. So these are wonderful transitions. They really will go year round, and that's kind of what we're looking for right now. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.